What's the fuss? You not one of us. Believe that.
Welcome to King Revo's Kitchen, and I'm King Revo, and today I'll be making black bean and red cabbage burgers. To make any black bean burger, you need black beans. You're gonna keep these on for about 30 minutes, more or less.
This shit is right. Going crazy. Know them.
I'm gonna take this red cabbage that we have here. I'm gonna chop it up in smaller pieces, and then I'm gonna drop it in here. Now this is just a steamer. If you don't have a steamer, what you can do is just take a normal pot, normal top, set it on high, as high as you can get it, and just do a flash boil. Do a flash boil for about a minute, 2 minutes, and you'll be good. Since we got this all chopped up, you sit this in the steamer, put the top on, and let that sit for probably about 3-4 minutes, and it should be ready.
Niggas hate me. It's on sight. Lit for the night. Fucking right. Lit for the night. Fucking right. Lit for the night. Going crazy. Know them niggas.
All I'm gonna use for these burgers is red onions and green peppers. Now, while you chopped all that up and while you chopping these up and waiting on this, don't forget to occasionally stir your beans and make sure that they tender. You feel me? Don't forget the beans, because that's the most important part.
It's on sight. Lit for the night.
Lit for the night, bitch, I'm lit. Might think it's crazy, but she wanna have my baby, and she just met me tonight. Put it in the back, it's only right. Say she from Atlanta, put that pussy on a flight. Bitch, I'm bustin', it ain't even no discussion. Roll a leaf, is that white Russian? She ain't heat to me, she.
Now, if you fancy and you got a masher, that's cool. But if you like me, a big spoon will work just fine.
Come filled with Moscato, with this dick she hit the lotto. Bitch, I'm flexing, Johnny Bravo, never changing, that's the motto. Nigga, we planned this, did it ourselves, didn't hand this.
Now, once you got this all mashed up and look all good like that, you're gonna take this cabbage that you cut up, right? Look at that. Just gonna take that and throw it in there. That's all you're gonna do. Very simple. Now, if your bowl is too small, like this one apparently looks, all you're gonna do is just transfer it to a bigger bowl, because you're gonna end up taking all of this and actually mixing it up by hand. Remember, I didn't put any seasoning earlier, and all I'm about to put in here now is black pepper, Himalayan salt, cayenne, and a little secret ingredient is Chesapeake seasoning. Now, I'll give you guys a little heads up, little notice. If you look at your ingredients on anything and you see silicone dioxide, throw it in the trash. Now, when you finish, it's gonna look just like this. Now, you know there's a difference, right? And that's because of this. If you like me, don't eat eggs and dairy and all that little bad stuff, then yours gonna look like this. But if, you know, you're still working on it, you're trying to get right, trying to get off the poultry and the dairy and the other derivatives, you can dip it in the egg and it'll look like that.
You ain't wanna take a risk, whipped it up with no risk. Put names on the list, sending shots don't miss. Back to back with the hits, make them jump like Chris.
What's the fuss? You not one of us. Believe the hype. This shit is.
Now, I put a little egg because my little brother, shout out to the brother, Never Too Late Records, Neil 40, what's down? You feel me? You see what it is. But little brother, he love eggs. He liked the joint with the egg, so that's why I perfected the joint with the egg. You know, if you like me, don't mess with the egg, which is better, then that's how you do it.
Right, shit is right. Going crazy. Know them niggas hate me. It's on sight. lit for the night. Fucking right, lit for the night. Fucking right.
Let's see what we got. So once they begin cooking, we'll take our spatula. We'll just smash them down a little bit, flatten them out, so they look a little, you know, get a little burger feel.
Lit for the night, going crazy. Know them niggas hate me. It's on sight, lit for the night.
Bitch, we lit it. She say she feeling my Dougie like my Diddy. Go to tripping, them linebackers blitzing, they in position. Bitch, we with it. To the ceiling lifted, we getting jiggy.
And this is how your finished product will look. This is the one without egg, and this is the one with egg, as you can see. You know, I added a little touch with pepino, cucumbers, and pimiento rojo, red peppers, you know. Enjoy. Bon provecho.
Fuck up the party next door, spend the whole weekend with this drizzy. Yeah, fuck a nigga, bet your bitch bite him, your bitch type shit, fuck a nigga. Fuck a ducker, never cuddle with her, gotta pay to play, you a sucker nigga. Only fucking with her when I'm fucking with her. Give a nice pipe for the right price, got a slight bite, pussy tight, and I fade away, bitch, I'm like Mike.
I wanna eat the pussy on it right. I wanna see the shit hit the light. Fuck a blind, lost of sight. Bitch, we jigging all through the night. I'm the pizza boy, I deliver, yeah. Baby taking shots of the Tanqueray, she got the shivers.
And I promise you, you look amazing. Gotta thank the Lord for you, girl, yeah, I'm praising. Louisiana, more hot boy, your occasion.
I'm too turned heart racing. Too crazy Neptune, bitch, I'm out of space. Staring at myself in the mirror, Freddie Jason. Look, you gotta stay patient. We going live at the gate, son, got the nigga. We straight, please don't play. All 2020, never too late, nigga.